Just wait till you see this AI photo editing tool. It's honestly amazing. Once you start using it, you can change your images in ways you never imagined. With just one simple prompt, you can change the background of any image, switch outfits, try different hairstyles, add glasses, or even change the whole environment. You can also remove unwanted objects with just one click, erase watermarks, and remove backgrounds instantly. You can even turn your images into clear 4K HD quality. Now you really don't need big and complex software like Adobe Photoshop anymore. So let's get started. First of all, look at this, which I totally edited with AI, and it's looking pretty amazing. So now we go to the AIenhancer.ai website. As soon as you open the website, you will see an interface like this. On the left side, you will find many features like photo effects, image editor, image generator, image upscaler, image remover, hairstyle changer, skin texture tools, and more. First, you will see the Home tab. Inside this, there are two main options, Enhancer and AI Image. We'll try both one by one, but first I'll show you my favorite feature, which is the Image Editor tool. When you click on it, the interface will open. Here, you can make any changes to your image. You'll see an option to upload your image, so you can directly select and upload it. Below that, you'll find different models like Nano Banana, ChatGPT MH2, Seedream, and many others. You can choose any model you like. Now, just below that, you need to write a prompt describing what you want to change in your image. Whatever you write, it will be applied to your image. Under this section, you'll also see the aspect ratio option, which you can adjust based on your needs. Now, what I'll do is upload my image. Let me show you which image I'm using. So guys, this is my image and I'll upload this one. After uploading, I'll write a simple prompt. Change the background to a swimming pool and change the dress of the girl. Once the prompt is written, I'll select the aspect ratio and then click on Edit Your Photo. Now the loading will start, and within a few seconds, you'll see the final result on your screen. Now as you can see, the image has been edited. It has added the swimming pool and the dress has also been changed. And guys, just look at the quality. It's really impressive. First, I'll download this image. After downloading, I'll go back to the Upload Image section and upload the same image again. This time, I'll write a new prompt. Change the dress color to black and add a baby wearing black sunglasses. After writing the prompt, I'll click on Generate again. It will take a few seconds to load and then we'll get a result like this. You can see the baby and the girl are placed very naturally and perfectly. Now I'll go to the Photo Effects section. Here, I'll scroll down a bit and select this girl template. As soon as I select it, it will move to the AI Image section with the prompt. Now, I'll click on the Upload option and upload my image. After uploading, I'll tap on Generate. It will use around 6 credits, and after a short loading time, we'll get a result like this, which looks really amazing. Now I'll delete the previous image and upload a new image of a boy. After uploading, I'll remove the existing prompt from this section and write my own random prompt. Now what this AI will do is use the face from my uploaded image and generate a new image in the same pose and style. So I'll click on Generate. Again, it will take a few seconds and then we'll get our final image. As you can see, the face and the person are blended very perfectly. Just like the image I uploaded, it used the same face to create this new result. I'll download this image as well. Now the image already looks great, but I want to make it even more high quality. So for that, I'll go to the Enhancer section. Here, I'll upload the same image I just downloaded. Below the image, you'll see different options. I'll select HD Upscale and click on Generate. Now it will start loading, and in a few seconds the image will be converted into 4K quality. And as you can see, it has enhanced the image into Ultra HD quality in a very impressive way. Now let's move to the Image Generator section. After coming here, you'll see the same models in the Model section. Next to that, you have the Aspect Ratio option, where you can set the size as you want. Below that, you'll find the prompt box. So I'll write a simple prompt. A 23-year-old boy standing in front of a school, wearing a uniform, looking ahead, anime style. After writing this, I'll click on Generate Image. It will take a few seconds to load and then the image will appear. As you can see, it created a really nice anime style image. But now I want a more realistic look. So I'll remove the word anime from the prompt and click on Generate again. Now look at this. It has created a very realistic image of a man standing in front of a school. It looks much more natural and gives a real life feel. Next, we have the Image Upscaler. Here you'll see many options which we already tried earlier. Using this, you can convert your images into Ultra HD quality. After that, we have the Image Remover tool. When you open it, the first option is to upload your image. Below that, you'll see the background remover. So I'll upload my image and click on Remove Background. Within a few seconds, it will remove the background and you'll get a result like this. Next, we have the watermark remover. For this, I'll upload an image that has a watermark. Then I'll click on remove watermark. In just a few seconds, the watermark will be removed. You can clearly see the before and after. The big text is completely gone. Below that, you'll find the change background option, which you can also try. Then we have the object remover feature. For this, I'll upload an image. Let's say there's an object like a hanging locket that I want to remove. First, I'll zoom into the image, then select the brush tool and mark the area. After that, I'll click on remove object. In a few seconds, that object will disappear. You can compare the before and after to see the difference. Next, we have the hairstyle changer. Here you'll find over 100 hairstyles for both men and women. I'll upload an image of a girl whose hairstyle I want to change. Make sure to follow the guidelines for uploading the image. After that, I'll select my favorite hairstyle from below and click on generate. After a short loading time, the hairstyle will be changed. And as you can see, it has changed the hairstyle very perfectly. You can compare the before and after. Below that, we have the skin texture option. Here you can choose any texture you like and apply it to your image. And finally, in the All Tools section, you'll find many more tools that this website provides for free. Definitely worth trying. Now let's talk about pricing. The monthly plan starts from around $9, and right now there's about 36% off. If you go for the yearly plan, you can get it for around $7.5 per month with up to 46% discount. So make sure to check out this tool. You'll find the link in the description and comment section.